How to fix context menu shows up on the wrong monitor in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Realign monitor layout. Misaligned monitor positions in Windows settings can cause the context menu to appear on the wrong screen, and correcting their arrangement ensures accurate placement. Navigate to System Display. Drag the monitor boxes to match their physical layout, e.g., side by side or stacked. Click Apply and Test by right-clicking on each screen. If that didn't work, differing DPI scaling settings can confuse Windows, leading to the context menu displaying on the wrong monitor, and syncing them can resolve this. If the wrong monitor is set as primary, the context menu may default there, and reassigning it can correct this. Go to System Display and select your preferred primary monitor. Check Make this my main display under multiple displays. Click Apply and Test with a right click. Match the refresh rate, e.g., 60 Hz, for each monitor. Click Apply and verify the context menu placement. Corrupted system files can affect monitor behavior, misplacing the context menu, and these scans repair them to restore functionality. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.